This is the StartOS documentation series. In this video, we're covering TOR. TOR is a private encrypted network built on top of the internet. There's thousands of specialized nodes that route your traffic anonymously. You might know it as the dark web. TOR used to be the only way to reach your StartOS server from outside your network. In 040, it's one option among several. TOR isn't included in StartOS by default. It's a service you install from the marketplace, just like anything else. However, if you are migrating from 0351, TOR is going to be automatically installed with that migration. Once it's installed, start it up and wait for the health checks to go green. Once TOR is running, the interface addresses page on every installed service gets a section where you can add a .onion address. When you add a TOR address to a service, you're going to see this SSL toggle. Leave it off and your address is HTTP. Turn it on and it's HTTPS. Because TOR is already encrypted, HTTP is the recommended default. It means neither you nor anyone you share the address with has to trust your server's root CA to connect. If you want both HTTP and HTTPS for the same address, you can. The addresses dropdown lets you pick an existing .onion you've already created. Add it once with SSL off and once with SSL on, and you've got both pointing to the same address. You'll also see a private key field. Leave it blank and StartOS generates a random .onion address for you. If you've made a vanity address with the TOR project's tools, this is where the private key goes. Link in the description for further instructions. To reach your TOR addresses, you need a TOR-enabled browser. I've heard that you can run TOR in the background on your phone or laptop, so other apps can route through it, and even ones that don't natively support TOR, but I have yet to experience it. TOR can give you some pretty powerful things. Censorship resistance. No domain for a register to pull, DNS record to drop, or ISP to block. As long as your server is online, the address works. Anonymity with discipline. People can use your service without knowing who runs it, as long as you never link the address to your real identity anywhere. Independence. No static IP, no domain, and no ports to open. TOR handles the routing. Private versus public TOR access use the same address, just differently. If you keep it secret, it's private. If you share it openly, it's public. TOR sounds great in theory. Anonymous, censorship resistant, no infrastructure to deal with, but it's notoriously slow and unreliable, which rules it out as an everyday option. Most people use it for specific services where privacy matters more than speed. For everything else, StartOS gives you other ways to connect. And that's TOR on StartOS. If you get stuck, check out docs.start9.com, the community forum, or the Matrix community support server with StartBot built in.